How to play soccer. Soccer is also known as football. Soccer is a team sport which is played between two teams of 11 players with a spherical ball. A minimum of 7 players are needed to constitute a match. The primary rule of soccer is that players cannot touch the ball with their hands or arms while the ball is in play. But goalkeepers can touch the ball if they're in their goal box. The game time is split up into 2 halves of 45 minutes. The object of the game is to score more goals than your opponent in 90 minutes. How does soccer the game start? The game starts with a coin toss. The team that wins the toss decides which goal it will attack in the first half of the match. The team that loses the coin toss takes the kickoff to start the match. Now let's see the soccer field dimensions and layout. A football field is also known as a soccer field or football pitch. Soccer can be played on either grass or artificial turf, but the surface must be green in color. The game is played on a rectangular field with a goal post at each end. The goal is 8 yards wide and 8 feet high and is played at the center of the goal line. At the middle of the field is the center line, which cuts the field in half. At the very center of the field is the center circle. The circle is 10 yards in diameter. The boundary of the field is drawn with lines. The lines on the sides, or the long side of the field, are called the touch lines, or sidelines. The lines at the end of the field are called the goal lines, or end lines. Goal area. The goal area is a box that extends 6 yards out from the goal post. Free kicks are taken from this area. Penalty area. The penalty area is a box that extends 18 yards out from the goal post. In this area, the goalkeeper may use their hands. Also, any penalty by the defense in this area will result in a penalty kick from the penalty mark. Penalty mark. This is the spot where the ball is placed for penalty kicks. It is at the center of the goal and 12 yards away from the goal line. Penalty arc. This is the arc at the top of the penalty box. Players, other than the goalkeeper and kicker, may not enter this area during a penalty kick. The corners. At each corner is a flag post and a corner arc. The corner arc is 1 yard in diameter. The ball must be placed within this arc for corner kicks. Scoring. To score, the ball must go through your opponent's goal. The whole ball needs to be over the line for it to be a legitimate goal. Winning the game. To win the game, you have to score more goals than that of your opponent. This is all for this video. In the next video, we'll discuss more about soccer rules and regulations.